guys, for this video I'm going to unpackage this Olympic barbell. This is by Barbell Standard. This is going to be an incredible bar. Now, before we get into unpackaging this, I just want to say I've been working really hard at upgrading the equipment in my gym. Over the Christmas holidays, the awesome Miss Highboy, she really blessed me with some nice upgrades. And you're going to see that I have no plates. My Olympic plates are gone because my preference and my desire for the longest time is to have that old school feel, the original. So I have on order the original plates by Barbell Standard. When they get here, I will show them to you. So this bar by the original Barbell Standard, let's go ahead and get it open. So the first thing I have to tell you is out of all three of the bars that I've ordered, actually it's been more than that. Oh my gosh, it's been like 5 bars. Out of 5 bars that I've ordered, this by far, they've really taken the time to really wrap it well. These bars, they're heavy and they take a beating. So I just have to say that this is a job well done. So let's go ahead and we'll get it opened up. Gonna go all the way down. Just like that. Just, you know, when you order your barbell, take your time with the blade, don't hurt yourself, and all right. And all the goodies in there. Isn't that nice? This has a load capacity of 1,500 pounds. Very nice. All right. This it's a beautiful bar. It's a work of art. Very nice. So this bar, it has a 1,500 pound load capacity. It's a 28.5 millimeter bar. knurling. It's a light to medium knurling, and I'm going to tell you right now, my wife is especially going to love this. She doesn't prefer the extreme knurling. This is more of her preference, so she's going to like this. Now, with this knurling, with a good set of wrist wraps, you're not going to have any problem really holding onto this bar. So I'm going to show you some wrist wraps that they send with their bars. I'll show those to you in just a moment. Now, it doesn't have the center knurling. This is going to be, for me, a great bar for my deadlifts, a great bar for my bench press, and then as far as my deadlifts, you know, I prefer a center knurling, but I don't necessarily have to have it. I can get that pressure on the top portion of my back, and I can support it just fine. So it's going to be a great bar. Now, it has the double knurling marks on each side, or your bar rings, whatever you're used to calling them. So what these two rings are, this outer ring, that's going to be for your International Weightlifting Federation. That's going to be for your Olympic cleans, things like that. More for your powerlifting, you're going to be a bit more closer in. That's going to be for your International Powerlifting Federation. Those are specific to those two. Okay, IWF, IPF. Okay. What that means to you and me, I'll tell you what it means. For me, on my bench, ring finger, right about on the inner knurling there, that's a pretty ideal place for me to bench. So that's 32 inches. These two are going to be 36 inches. This is a great bar. It's a nice bar. So I'm particularly excited to try when I get my new plates, also by Barbell Standard. It's going to be nice lighting them on and off of these sleeves. They're nice and smooth, really top quality. I like it. I'm really excited. So what you get with this bar, you get included a set of collars. Here's our collar. If I can get the well. Well, I think you get it. Very nice. You get a set of collars, okay? This is cool, all right? In here, Barbell Standard, the original. I'm going to put a link in the description box below. There you go. A set of wrist wraps, okay? Nicely done. So they've equipped you with your barbell collars. They've equipped you with your wrist wraps. You're ready to go, except you need to be equipped with some really good, you know, old school plates, and guess what? Right there. They're the ones that can set you up. Now I'm going to tell you this. I've done my searching. I've done my research. You know, price for price, pound for pound. Their plates, super good pricing. So I would definitely take a look at their plates. Take a look at these bars. This is going to be a quality bar. Follow my channel because you will see me using this bar in a ton of my videos. So there we go. Guys and gals, that's the end of this video. God bless. We'll see you